When solving equations, basically you're getting the x or the variable by itself by moving everything away from it using inverse operations. So looking at example 1, I'm going to take this 2 because it's not currently touching the x, and I'm going to move it over to the other side by using an inverse operation. So it's a positive 2, so I'm going to subtract 2 to both sides. And that leaves me with 5x on that side of the equal sign. And I'm going to say 12 minus 2, which is 10. And then notice my x is still not by itself, and the 5 and the x are hanging out together with no sign in between them, so that means that they are being multiplied. So we're going to do the opposite of that, and we're going to divide. And what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So x is going to equal 2 on that example. So looking at the second example, I am going to get rid of the 7 here first. So it is being divided by x plus 1, so I'm going to multiply by 7 to both sides. So those cancel out, and they leave me with x plus 1 on the left-hand side of the equal sign and 21 on the right-hand side. So subtract 1 to get x by itself. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side, so that leaves me with x is equal to 20. Looking at the third example, I can see that there is a positive 5 that's not currently touching the x, or not having any math to do it with it right now. So that's the first thing I'm going to move over. So because it's a positive 5, I'm going to move it over by subtracting 5 to both sides of the equal sign. So that's going to leave me with x over 2 on the left-hand side, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So I still don't have x by itself. I see that it's being divided by 2, so I'm going to do the opposite of that, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So those cancel my x's out, leaving me with x is equal to 6.